In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1v1 in One Piece Burning Blood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can set up 1v1 matches in One Piece Burning Blood when you unlock the free battle option from the home screen. So after you have free battle unlocked, you will be able to set up 2-player matches, aka 1v1. If you don't have free battle available, just keep playing through the main campaign of the game until it appears here. Sadly, I'm not sure of the specific unlock requirements. If you know them, please leave them in the comment section below. After you have access to free battle, just choose it here. And among free battle options, you will find 2-player play. So now you can select this option, and this will work on any platform. Make sure that you have an additional controller connected. Player 1, aka you, should have your controller already connected, and whoever is going to be joining needs a controller connected to the same platform. You can connect it wirelessly or using a cable, it doesn't matter. And then once you join, each player will be able to select their characters. So you will see 1P and 2P at the top left to represent player 1 and then player 2. Once both players have selected all of their characters and the roster has been set up, you can start the match and you will initiate a 1v1. So in short, keep playing the main game until you unlock free battle. After you unlock free battle, access 2-player play. And once you have it unlocked, you will be able to set up these 1v1 matches as many times as you wish. You can use 1P play if you want to practice or even training, and this will allow you to set up a match against the CPU. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.